An announcement bar is a super useful tool for conveying important messages or announcements to your website visitors. Adding an announcement bar to your Squarespace website takes just a few clicks. When you open up your site, you will see your dashboard menu on the left and find Website. Here you'll see all of your website pages, and if you scroll at the very bottom of your site, you will see under Utilities we have Website Tools. Under Website Tools, you will find Announcement Bar. To enable your announcement bar, you need to have a paying subscription to Squarespace. Here is where you can write your text, and you can also pop a link to your announcement. So if you want to make your announcement bar clickable, you can either attach an email, web address, file, a page from your website, or a phone number to your message. Once you're happy with your content, click Save, and now we will go into where you can style your announcement bar. On the top right corner of your screen, you can access Site Styles by clicking the brush icon. And then if we go under Color, it will show you which color themes you are using on this page. Now here I'm using lightest one for my announcement, so I will click on it and hover over the announcement bar. Right now we have our background color set to black and text to white. To change it, now we just have to go over to our colors and change it to either one from your palette or a custom color altogether. As for changing your fonts, you will go under Font and select Assign Styles. Here you can find all of your font settings. So we are just going to search for announcement bar, click on the settings, and here you can see we have our style is set to paragraph and our size is set to paragraph 3. You can change your font to one of your previous selections, or you can add a completely custom one. And the same goes for sizing. Now just make sure to save everything and you're ready to go. Depending on your business needs, you can use the announcement bar to highlight ongoing promotions, discounts, or sales. Or if you're launching a new product or service, you can use the announcement bar to notify your visitors. You can also use it to promote some upcoming events, webinars, or workshops. Alternatively, you can always use it to share important updates or changes to your website or business operations. You can also use your announcement bar to encourage visitors to subscribe to your newsletter by including a call to action. I hope this was helpful and it gave you some ideas of how you can use your announcement bar. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.